Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to install your programs in Windows 11. So the first thing is to go to control panel, and here you click on uninstall program, and here you choose your program or app you want to install. So for example, I will install this, click yes, and just continue, and it is I installing right now. So that is simple and easy. And just now I will install the app launcher. So that's it guys. This is how you can install your apps or programs in Windows 11. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.